This is Jonah having a conversation with a dolphin. Take one.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, so that was a good. W-
All right, thank you. You want to try it?
This is Jonah having a conversation with a dolphin with a low cut filter at 237 hertz.
Oh, I am so surprised. Why, thank you. I know my clothes look good. Oh, yeah, I like my hairstyle, too.
This is Ben doing a crazy radical triple snap with no setting changes. This is Ben doing a cool radical triple snap with the mic at 237 hertz low cut and input at 237 hertz. Thank you.
Thank you. This is Ben saying sauce with no changes with a sound floor of air conditioner. Sauce. 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 Thank you.
This is Ben saying sauce with a mic low cut at 115 hertz and an input at 185 hertz.
Sauce. 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 Thank you.
That's so saucy.
This is Ben and Jonah saying shumbus.
Shumbus.
Okay,
Sorry.
I just screwed up my whole thing.
Sorry.
Mark 1, this is Jonah and Ben saying shumbus with the microphones at 90 degrees.
Shumbus.
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 Shumbias.
Thank you.
This is Ben and Jonah saying shumbus at the mic direction of 120.
Shumbus.
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 Thank you.
This is recording city traffic with no setting changes. Just say what it is.
All right, this is city traffic in a mono mix.